In the classical training of the Yang style, the sure sign of real progress and deep health benefits is a spirited movement that I like to call lively legs. In these sequences of free play, my students demonstrate their ability to receive the impulses of my discharges without exhibiting physical distortion or clumsiness. The foundation for this is only acquired through many hours of TUISHOU, a non-violent and cooperative exercise in which one learns to respond to the influence of another player without resistance or distortion. Such training requires the learning of many new and unfamiliar motor skills. The solo form, its movements drawn from traditional Chinese martial arts, is done with elaborate slowness in order to facilitate the learning of these subtle new internal habits. Because of its intimate connection to Chinese medical principles, it is also considered to be the highest level of Qigong. Applications of the form are an important element of Taijiquan training. Each formal movement contains between 1 and 4 distinct martial ideas, referred to as the 8 trigram postures. In these examples, the attack of the imaginary opponent in the form is acted out by the student on the left, while the student on the right shows the relevant formal response. TUISHOU is the exercise most fundamental to attaining real skill in Taijiquan. As the name implies, the basic skill of the art is the ability to create Taiji relationships to the opponent, and from these allow the changes of martial ideas to naturally develop. The initial pattern used links the postures of ward off, roll back, press, and push into a continuous loop, in which all 8 of the important Taijis may be examined and developed. Into this repeating pattern may be inserted certain variations that keep the mind alert and sensitivity alive. This repeating pattern, designed to link the student's responses to the opponent's moves and connect them firmly to the waist and legs, now gives the student the first taste of proper footwork, 3-step TUISHOU. It is a deceptively simple exercise, appearing to be an unchanging dance step repeated over and over, but is designed to make one's footwork responsive rather than preconceived. DALU is considered to be perhaps the most important of the Yang style's 5 major exercises. It extends the concepts of stepping while also exploring the 4 remaining martial ideas of pull, shoulder, elbow, and split. It is distinguished by allowing the greatest range of speed employed, from a slow and stately minuet-type dance to a rough and tumble exchange of high-speed attacks, reaching the level at which lively legs evolve into actual discharges. SANSHOU is the highest level formal exercise of the Yang style. It is a 2-person form that explores the extreme creativity possible from the basic theory of Taijiquan, which is that continuous application of the Taiji principles can produce an infinite variety of martial changes, all formed from the basic ideas represented by the 8 trigrams. Though certain moves may take slow and painstaking effort to master, the exercise can only be truly explored at relatively high speed, demonstrating 88 techniques, 44 on each side, in approximately 1 minute. Integrating footwork and timing with softness and sensitivity, it allows for an exchange of energy between the players that can only be described as extending Qigong to an aerobic level.